Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy.
Two cards. So this is one fold card. So birthday invitation card are very easy and simple to make. So it gives a personalized touch. Okay. So you can make the card. So in the front, you can make any design and inside you can write the name and date or time of your birthday party. And you can hand over this card to your friends. Okay. One day before your birthday party. So this is a Worli art theme and this is a three-fold. So you can just open it like this. So here you can write your message. Okay. So this is a Worli art design. So there are many different designs. So we will try to make 2-3 designs. So we will make one design for the boys and one design for the girls. Okay. So let's see. Today we are not going to make this. We are going to make this one. So this is a Hello Kitty design. Okay. This is very simple and easy. So I will be using the pink chart paper. You can use pink chart paper, handmade paper, or if you don't have pink, you can use anything, whatever is available with you. Okay. So let's start. So I just took it and I'm going to take a measurement of around, just, so this is around 16 or 17 centimeter. You can take 15 also, 15 is also fine. So you can just take, so this is 18. Okay, I'm taking 18. You can take 15 also. And this one is 9. Or 8. 8 is also okay. So this is 8.5 for me actually. So you can take 8. Okay. So now I'm just going to cut it. So you can make a card of 8 by 15. Okay. See, when you make the birthday card on your own and you invite your friends, so it gives a personalized touch. And you can show your creativity also by doing this. Okay, so I'm just going to fold it into half like this. Just fold it. And now take a A4 sheet. And you can just make a mark this much like this. So with the pencil. Okay, so now we will draw the Hello Kitty here. So I have made the mark so that our Hello Kitty fits into the card properly. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the Hello Kitty. I'll just start from here and make the ear. And then the face. So on this other side also, I'll just repeat the same thing. So this is our ear and the face. Okay. So now I'm just going to cut it. Just give it a little round shape. Yeah, so this is okay. So just draw it. How much is the size? It's 8 by 15 centimeters. Okay. So this is 8 centimeter and this is 15 centimeters. Then I just folded the paper like this. I've kept it here and made a mark. So I drew the Hello Kitty. Okay. So now I'm just going to cut it. So first, let me do the coloring also. So I'll just make the eyes with the sketch pen. Black sketch pen you can use. Okay. And this is the mouth, which is oval shaped. And these are the whiskers. Okay. So I'll just cut it with the scissors. Okay, so just cut the Hello Kitty. And then we are going to make the bow. Okay. See, my request to everybody is please join on time. It is difficult to show it again and again. Please join on time, okay? So I'm showing you again how to draw the Hello Kitty. So this is one ear, and from here, just make the face. So this is half, and the same thing you have to repeat it on the another side. Okay. So this is the Hello Kitty. So it's very simple and easy. And you can just make the whiskers like this. Okay, so I will stick it here and I'll just make another cutting so that we can paste it. This is a handmade paper, so we cannot write on it. It is very difficult to write on it. It will not be visible. So what we will do is we will just cut a white A4 sheet and we will stick it here so that you can write the name and everything. Okay, so I'll just make a marking here for this and we are going to stick everything at the end. Okay, so I'll make another marking for the bow. No need for the marking actually. Okay, so I'll just cut this one. So you can make it little shorter because we have to stick it inside the card. So it should fit in here like this. See? Okay, so So this is fitting inside properly, right? So now I'm going to make the bow. So you can make the bow with the glitter sheet also. So I couldn't find my glitter sheet, so I'm making the bow with the same pink paper, not the pink actually. So should be pink, but okay. So you can use blue also. Blue is also absolutely fine. Blue or green, both will work. Yellow will also work. So I've got a blue paper over here and I just cut it. Where is the scissor? My scissor is lost. Okay, so I have a blue paper over here and I'm going to cut the so I will draw a blue color bow. I'm not able to see it, so I just how to make the bow. Yes, that is only I'm doing it, so you can just see. So I took a blue paper for the bow and I'm drawing it like this. See, so same thing you can repeat on the other side like this. Okay, so this is the bow and you can cut a pink circle. So I'm making a pink circle and I will stick it on the center of the bow. Okay, like this. Okay, if you are using the glitter sheet, you can use silver also, golden also, both are okay. Okay, So I just made a circle and I'm cutting it now. So I will just paste it in the center of the bow. It's like a button. Okay. So like this, just cut the bow and then we are going to stick everything together. Okay, so this is ready. Now let's stick everything together with the Fevicol. So this is how we are going to stick it. Okay, so let's start. Just apply the glue in the corners, little inside that the corner. Okay, so that it does not come out and your work will remain neat. Just stick it. And then just stick the bow. Like this. And now stick the button in the center. Okay, so this was the front part of our invitation card. So now I'm going to stick this one inside. Just stick it, keep it in place and press it a little bit like this. Okay. Can you please show your Hello Kitty? Yes, see, you can see the Hello Kitty. Okay, so this is our card. So you can just write to whom you want to invite, the name, and then date and time and place. And you can write a message. You are invited. Okay, so anything you can write. So this is a invitation card which is ready now. Okay, so this one we have made for the girls' birthday party. So one we will be making for the boys' birthday party. Okay, so I'm just waiting for 5 minutes for you guys to complete. So then I will move forward. Is mine is okay? Can you check? Okay. So who want to show? Please switch on your camera if you want to show your card. Sunny, Reena, Astha, Ritvik, Lenovo Tab, Kashvi, Gina. So I'm just waiting. Pranchi, Punya, Deepika. Please keep your camera on. Advika, you're done? Okay, okay, I'm waiting. Complete it. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Okay, Sara Bhatta, you're done, beta? No? Okay. So if you have any doubt, ask me, okay? So Dhruti is saying check, but I'm not able to find Dhruti. Where is Dhruti? Okay. So I'll just wait for 5 minutes. So our Hello Kitty card is ready now. So next we are going to do this monster card, this one eye man. Okay. So this is same. You can do this green also and yellow also. Okay. So I'll take the yellow chart paper. So you complete this. I'm waiting. Then we will start. Don't worry. Okay. Can you tell again how to make the base? I have made the kitty, but I have not made that base. Okay. Okay. So base is nothing better. This is just a handmade card. Okay. So this is, let's say this is a card. So I just cut the card of 8 by 15 centimeter and I just folded it like that. Okay. And on top of that, I just pasted the Hello Kitty. Okay. And inside I have just pasted a A4 sheet cutting. Sonakshi, want to show your card. Oh wow, Sonakshi, lovely, lovely, beautiful, very nice, lovely card. Okay, so everybody have to send their card to me. Okay, I will send the link and you have to send your post your work there. Wow, so she's also done. Advika is also done. Advika, your Hello Kitty is very cute. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you have written inside message also. Okay, good, 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 good. So let's move on. Okay, so Ritvik is showing. Yeah, this is cute with the green bow. Ritvik, it's nice. Okay, so Sujata is also done. I think all of you are done. So let's So what we will do now, we are going to make a monster card. Okay, so I'll tell you the measurement. So measurement, actually we will, so this was opening on the top. Now this will open on the side. So we are going to make it like this. Okay, so I just took a card of around 12 by 12. So this is 24. So this is 24 and this is 12. Okay, so 12 by 24 paper you have to take. I will write here 12 by 24. Okay, so you have to take and you have to fold it like this. So this is 24 and this is 12 and we will fold it like this. Okay, I'm just trimming it a little bit. Okay, so once this is done, so we will, what we will do, we will make a one eye man. So I'm just making a, I should take a thick marker. I'll just take a marker and just make a one eye man. Okay, so now I'm going to make a circle here like this. Just double it up. Okay, and 3 lines. And then just make the face, mouth of the monster and then the legs. So legs are like triangle. Okay, it's a handmade paper actually, that's why the marker is little cracky. If you're using the plain paper, then it will be fun. Okay, so this is the pocket and belt. Okay, so these are the hairs. So our monster is ready. So now what we have to do is, we have to take the googly eye and I'm going to stick it inside. Okay, so if you don't have googly eye, you can just draw it. Okay, you can just cut a white paper and on top of that white paper, you can just make a mark with the black pen. My paper is 20 centimeter. Can I do a small one? Yes, you can do a small one, beta. It's absolutely fine. Okay, so what we have to do is, I will fit in here. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to make a mark here and we are going to cut it so that our eye will be visible outside. Okay, so how we are going to do it? I'm just going to make a circle with the pencil, this black circle. Okay, the same thing we have to draw outside like this. Okay, on top of that circle, we have to draw the circle outside and we have to just cut it. So I'm just cutting this circle from the middle. Just make a mark with the cutter. And yeah, done. Just cut this circle part. It's little tricky, but not very difficult to do. So you will be able to cut a circle here. So your cutting should be neat. Okay. So this is on the outer flap of the card. So I'll just show you again. Let me cut it. So your eye will fit in here and it will come out like this. Okay. So that's way only it look like a monster. So just I'm cutting it properly again because I need to do a little bit of finishing. So you have to draw the circle on the outer part and cut it neatly. Okay. So this is how it looks. Now I'm going to stick my googly eye inside this here. So it will come out like this. See? Okay, so you can just make a circle with the pen so that it looks neat. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you can write peekaboo or anything of your choice. Okay, so this is just a fun part. Okay, like this. So the card will open like this. Okay, and if you want to write, so you can just stick a white paper here to write the name for the invitation card. Okay, so I'll just cut a piece of paper. So it will fit in here. So it should make it a little more small. Okay, so just apply the Fevicol in the corners and stick it here. Okay, so you can write, you are invited, name, place. Can you please show the Hello Kitty card, please? Okay, I will show. So now you can write the name, same thing, name and date and place, time. And you can write, you are invited. So it was very simple and easy card, right? So it was fun card. Okay, so 2 cards are done. Now we are going to make a third one. So it was fun, right? The peekaboo card. So you have to stick the googly eye properly so that it doesn't come out. So I have to just give a little neat cutting here. Yes, you can show. Okay, wow, you have made the full minion. Okay, okay. Yeah, so this is also good. Okay, Yashas is also done. Shravya, Sunny, Jeena, Kashvi, Dhruti. Okay, so I'll just clean it up a little bit. So shall I move on? Wait, okay. Okay, Asta is showing Hello Kitty card. Very nice, Asta. Good job. Yeah, you got the idea. The monster is looking quite scary to me also. Monster, okay. This is my monster. This is how the card looks from inside. Okay, Shravya is also done with the monster. Very good, Shravya. Good job. Very nice. So all of you have to send me your work, Beta. I want to see the beautiful creations you are making every day. Okay. Yeah, Sujata Panda. Very nice, Sujata. You're on mute. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. So 2 cards are done. Now we are going to do the third one. I think most of you are already done. So let's move on to the third card. So this looks interesting. So I will take a, so we are going to make a frog. So these are the 2 cards now. I will take the green paper and a yellow paper also. Okay, so I'm just keeping them aside. I think all of you are done. So Monster and Hello Kitty are done. So let's move on to the third card. So I took a green paper and I'm making a circle. Okay. So this is the circle. Now I have to make a small circle on the another paper, yellow paper. So I'm taking two. One is green and one is yellow. Okay. So I will make a small circle. So I have to make a circle like this much size. Okay. So I'll just keep it here, and just by an idea, you can make a circle like this. Okay, so it will fit into it. You can make little, I think this is very small. So I should make a little big. Okay, I'll make a little bigger circle here. This much is okay, I guess. Yes, this much is fine. So I'll tell you, this is around 11 centimeter circle, okay, full diameter. Or you can say 10 centimeter, so you can make 5 centimeter radius, okay. And this one is 3 centimeter radius. So 3 centimeter radius and 5 centimeter radius, two circles you have to cut. So I'm just going to cut it. Okay, so we are going to stick it like this. Okay. Size, please wait. Size is 3 centimeter radius and 5 centimeter radius. Two circles. Okay, so just cut them. Okay, so I'll just stick it here. So this is the back part. Just stick it on the top like this. Okay, and now I'm going to cut a white circle. So I just took the white piece of paper and I'm folding it so that I will get two eyes. So I'm making the eyes. So just make a circle, big one. Okay, make the eyes quite big. Yeah, like this. Just cut it. I folded the paper so that we get two eyes. Okay, so just fold the paper, draw the circle and cut it. So I've got two eyes here. Now I'm going to just fill in the black part with the sketch pen. Okay, so just fill the black part here. So if you have this size of googly eye, you can use that. I'm not having a very big googly eye, so I'm just making the eyes like this with the paper. And yeah, okay, like this we have to prepare another eye also. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to fold it from the center of the yellow paper like this. So we have to fold our card like this, okay, from the center of the yellow paper like this. So this was the center of my yellow paper and I just folded it like this, okay. And I'm going to stick the eyes here like this, see. So you have to stick the eyes at the back part like this. So just apply the glue here on the back side and stick your eyes like this. Leave little gap between both the eyes. So this is how you have to stick it and let it dry for 2 minutes. So if you have googly eyes, you can place the googly eyes like this. See, like this. I'm just going to put the small one. So I'll just paste the small eye here. If you don't have, you can just leave it like that. So the googly eye add the fun to the card. Okay. So just add it to googly eyes like this. Okay, and we are done. It was very simple, right? So our card is ready. So just open it and write your message. You are invited and name and place and time. Okay, so you can just write name, place and time. Okay, and here you can write you are invited. Okay, so this was the third invitation card. So it was quite easy and interesting. Okay, so it can be a craft activity on your birthday also. So when you are inviting your friends, to keep your friends busy, you can do this activity in the birthday party. Okay, so now one session is over. So in the next session, we are going to make the birthday tags. So till now we have made 3 invitation cards. Okay, so these were the 3 invitation card: Hello Kitty, Frog and Monster. Yeah, date also you can write. I'm waiting for 2 minutes for you guys to complete. Then we will make birthday tags. So these are quite interesting. I think so. Yeah. Okay, Arohi is done. Yes, Arohi. Good, good. Very good. Your Hello Kitty is good. Can you please repeat everything? Sorry, dear. It's difficult to repeat everything. Now the session is over. So recording will be there. You can check the recording. Okay, please join on time. So now I'll make, so the second session is going to start in 2 minutes. So we will be making birthday gift cards, tags. Okay. So I'll just keep it aside. So this is another sample. So you can do it on your own. So this is Worli Art birthday invitation card. So you can just flip it and open like this. So it has 3 folds. Okay. Okay. So let's move on. We have done a lot, I think, today. Yes.